Hello, cherished viewers. You are welcome to another episode of our tutorial. My name is Millicent Kuda. In today's lesson, we are going to look at days of the week in Ewe and names of people born on these days. Stay tuned.
Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abavio la tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyobe vagbe. No fiwe. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abiawo mi do vagbalo. Abaviola tutana do vagbajro. Amabubu na nyabe. Agbiadeli oyobe vagbe.
In Ewe, we refer to day as Azãgbe and week as kɔsiɖa. We have 7 days in a week. They are Kɔsiɖagbe, Dzoɖagbe, Blaɖagbe, Kuɖagbe, Yawoɖagbe, Fiɖagbe, and Memliɖagbe. So which of these days were you born? Let's look at the names. So if you are born on Sunday, which is Kɔsiɖagbe, if you are male, your name is Kɔsi. If you are a female, your name is Esi, Kɔsiwɔ, or Awusi. If you are born on Monday, which is Dzoɖagbe, if you are a male, your name is Kɔdzo or Kudzo. If you are a female, your name is Adzo, Adzowɔ, or Adzoyo. If you are born on Tuesday, which is Blaɖagbe, if you are a male, your name is Kɔbla or Kɔmla. If you are female, your name is Abla, Ablewɔ, or Ablayo. If you are born on Wednesday, which is Kuɖagbe, if you are a male, your name is Kɔku or Awuku. If you are a female, your name is Akuwɔ, or Akuyo. If you are born on Thursday, which is Yawoɖagbe, if you are a male, your name is Yawo or Kɔwu. If you are a female, your name is Yawo, Yawo, Awo, or Awuyo. If you are born on Friday, which is Fiɖagbe, if you are a male, your name is Kofi. If you are a female, your name is Afi, Afiwɔ, or Afiyo. If you are born on Saturday, which is Memliɖagbe, if you are a male, your name is Komi. If you are a female, your name is Ami, Amiyo, or Ama. Please leave a comment of your day of birth name in Ewe in the comment section below. And remember to pass by Nufiala Facebook page and download the lovely design of your name. Thank you.